What is technical drawing? Technical drawing is defined as a graphic representation of figures by engineers, architects, draftsmen, students for effective communication for the industrial sector. So in simple words, it is the representation of figures in a graphical manner through the use of drawing instruments. Importance of technical drawing. 1. It is an effective medium for communication to professional members. 2. It increases the sense of reasoning and accurate judgment. 3. It helps to design all kinds of objects in a concerned approach. 4. It enhances the creativity and analytical reasoning. 5. It develops the psychomotor domain. So from 1, you see that it adds in the interaction between professional members and brings them closer, especially in their field. 2. It helps one to think on how to perfect the work for accuracy. 3. Through the use of drawing instruments, one can develop any structure or object with accurate measurements. 4. It develops one's thinking in the creative aspects. Finally, one's behavior and interest in technical drawing will surely increase. Branches of technical drawing. 1. Plane geometry, solid geometry, mechanical drawing, building drawing, electrical/electronic drawing. Plane geometry. It deals with objects in 2 dimensions, that is, length and height. Solid geometry deals with 3 dimensions, length, height, width. Mechanical drawing deals with parts of a machine or engine. Building drawing deals with structures and buildings, while electrical drawing deals with electrical equipment, example, wiring of a house. Drawing materials and equipment. Drawing board, T-square, drawing paper, ruler, set square, protractor, pencil, masking tape, eraser, French curve, a compass, a divider, and so on and so forth. Let's go to the drawing board. It is a simple wooden or plastic board that enables you to place your drawing paper and carry out your drawing smoothly. There are different sizes of drawing board, but the recommended size is 650 by 470. T-square or ruler. It is a wooden or plastic technical drawing instrument used for drawing horizontal lines, but majorly used in drawing longer lines. Drawing paper. It is a plain sheet of paper spread on the drawing board for the purpose of drawing. It is the space where the actual drawing takes place. There are different drawing paper sizes: A0 841 by 1189 mm, A1 594 by 841 mm, A2 420 by 594 mm, A3 297 by 420 mm, A4 210 by 297 mm, and so on and so forth. The set square. They are plastic or wooden technical drawing instruments used in drawing vertical lines and are also used in drawing angles such as 30 degrees, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. The protractor is used in obtaining or measuring accurate angles. Pencil. It is used in illustrating or drawing any object or line. Pencils are classified into 2 main groups: hard pencils and soft pencils. Hard pencils are mainly used for construction purposes, example 3H, 4H, 6H, 7H, and so on and so forth, while soft pencils are used for outline and lettering purposes. Masking tape is used in holding the drawing paper rigidly to the drawing board. Eraser is used to clean the unwanted portion of the drawing. Pair of dividers or compass is used in drawing lines, angles, and semicircles. Safe working habits. 1. Ensure the drawing instruments are kept clean before and after each use. 2. Do not lean or press harder on the drawing instruments because they are fragile and could easily break. 3. Do not use a pair of compass, divider, or any other drawing instrument as a fighting weapon. 4. Exercise patience when carrying out a technical drawing assignment. 5. Ensure that your work is always neat and clean. Types of line. 1. Thick line, they are used for outline. 2. Thin line, they are used for dimension, projection, construction, hatching line, and so on and so forth. Thin short dashes are used for hidden details. Thin long chain, they are used for center lines, pitch circles, and paths for indicating movements, and so many others. These are the basics you need to know in technical drawing. With time, as you subscribe, you will get to know more about technical drawing and enjoy more amazing content from LOK Technical Drawing Concepts. Do well to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.